Hey lads, how's it going? My name is Arsan Khalik and this is Relax and Now. In this video, we are going to change color of our lips in Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, go to the adjustment layer icon right here and choose solid color. Pick the color which you like that, and select the mask. Press Ctrl or Command I to invert it and make a selection of our lips. I'm going to use pen tool for selection to make selection. So let's make the selection. Click on lips and just simply trace the selection. Hold Alt to break handle. And just simply trace her lips just like that. I'm doing it quickly just to show you. I'm going to speed up this video. I'm going to speed up the video so you will never get bored by the selection. Now trace our inner lips just to remove extras. It is just simple as that, not a rocket science in it. Now press Ctrl or Enter to make a selection and just pick a brush, white as a foreground color, and just paint over her lips. And now press Ctrl or Command D to deselect and change the blending mode to multiply. Now double click on the layer, move the right slider to the left to make her lips realistic. Now hold Alt or Option, click on the slider to break the slider apart and just move like that. Click OK. Now make a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Now change the color to like red. Now change the blending mode of it to screen. Double click on the layer and now this time I'm going to reset it. Now this time move the left slider to the right. Hold Alt or Option to break the slider apart and just move it like that. to smoothen the transition. Now this is, my friend, look realistic. Now I'm going to add a blur to the mask to make it realistic. Now click on the mask and click on this icon, properties, and just increase the feather to, what about 2.6 will be okay. Similar, select the second mask and do it same. 2.6. Now this looks fantastic. Isn't that cool? You can decrease the opacity. Select the both, hold Control or Command and click on the both and press Control or Command G to make a group and decrease the opacity. For me, it's about 65 will be okay. Now that's, my friend, look fantastic. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.